Hello again. In this tutorial, I'm going to develop a program that's going to input a string from console, and it's going to toggle each alphabetical character and prints it back to the output console. That means if a particular character is in uppercase, it's going to be converted to lowercase, and if it is in lowercase, then it's going to be converted to uppercase. And we will be using the conception of passing array to the function. That means we'll be writing a function for this purpose. Say the function is going to be void toggle char. So it's going to receive a string, that means a character array. So we can just write character pointer ptr. That's going to receive the base address to the array that is containing the string. So in this case, we don't need to receive the total number of elements in the string because it's a character array and it's a string, so there is always the null character at the end. So we can just inspect the null character in order to terminate our iteration. So no need for total number of elements if it is character array. So here we go. So we need to just iterate through the array as long as there are elements. That means unless and until we are reaching to the end of the string. So if it is ptr plus I star, that's the ith element, and it's not equals to null. That means if the ith element is not equals to null, then what we need to do, we need to actually check that ith element whether it is uppercase or lowercase. If it is uppercase, then we need to convert it to lowercase, and if it is lowercase, we need to convert it to uppercase just by adding and subtracting 32. We know that. Okay. And if it is any other character, we just need to skip to the next character. You can see that I have used the pointer notation in order to get the content of the ith element. Now instead of this, I could have written this as well, ptr third bracket I. If I write this, then the compiler is going to convert it back to this. So both are okay. You can write either of them. So I'm using the pointer notation directly. Okay, now if this ith character is actually uppercase, that means if it is greater than equals to capital A, and let me just copy this, okay, and it is less than equals to capital Z, then what I need to do is to convert it to lowercase. That means we need to add 32 with this. We know that capital letter starts from 65, that's the ASCII value of capital A, and adding 32 will get us the equivalent lowercase letter of English alphabet. So I'm just adding 32 with this. And else if this is lowercase character, if this is lowercase character, that means if it is greater than equals to small a and small z, then what we need to do is to subtract 32, and that's it. If either of these condition are false, then we are just moving to the next iteration. If this is false and this is also false, and it goes to the next iteration just by increasing I. So if it is increasing I, then it's going to the next element. So this is going to ultimately toggle the character of each element. So I can just declare a character array here, and the name of the character array is str. I'm declaring it with size 100, and then I'm just asking the user to input this, enter a string. And we are taking the string using scanf %caret \n, that you know how it works. Okay, and then we are just calling the function toggle char, and I'm passing the base address that will be received here in the character pointer. You can see that it will be received here in the character pointer, and here we are doing the processing. Okay, on returning to the main function, I'm just printing the array %s\n, and we are having this str. Okay, let's go ahead and run this program. So it's asking me the string. For the string, okay, I'm giving my favorite hello RLD, and you can see that each and every character has been toggled. This capital H is now small one, this is in uppercase, and everything else are toggled. You can see that there is a space in between, and that is left as usual. So I'm running it once more. So I'm having, say, hello 1 2 3 and then world, And you can see that 1 2 3 and the spaces, all the other characters apart from the alphabets are kept as it is.